How to change video quality on Facebook app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, you need to make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once your application is up to date, simply open the app. Enter a login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this home page. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then head over to settings and privacy. At the bottom, you will see the option of cellular data use. Head over to it. It will be landing you on a specific page. Well, in order to change and increase your video quality of Facebook, all you want to do is set the settings to optimized. If you have set it to the option data saver, then it will lower the resolution for all of the videos. So make sure that you have set it to optimized and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your video quality on Facebook. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.